Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi icon not showing problem on Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first go to Taskbar and click on Task Manager, okay? You need to find and select Windows Explorer. This is the most powerful and best option to get back the missing icon, so select Windows Explorer and then click on Restart. So after this, it will refresh all Windows Explorer, including icons and all things. So hopefully this will work. If this option is not working, go with the second option. So first go to search bar and then type setting and left click on it. Then type select which icons appear on taskbar, and you have to find the network, and that must be on. So turn on the network if it's off, and hopefully this will fix the problem. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be facing similar issues. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.